everyone, Cynthia here. I thought I would shoot a quick video of my Colourpop goodies. Just got this in the mail. Colourpop is celebrating their 4th birthday this month, so May is a pretty awesome month for lots of goodies and specials. For example, this one over here I received for free. So I definitely recommend you should check them out. Maybe you've heard of them, maybe you haven't, but they're super awesome makeup quality items that do not break the bank. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. This was their birthday month, like I said, so it always comes with a cute card from Colourpop, very nice and sweet. And one of the things that I got, I needed a setting spray, and I had been eyeing this for a while. It's their Colourpop Amber Crystal Setting Spray. These are amazing. I actually have the amethyst one, and it's a priming, so first, setting spray last. And I love this one, the amethyst. I never thought I would like cucumber scent, but it smells like cucumbers and it's amazing and it feels great on your face. So the amber one is actually, I believe, peach scent. Ooh, first time, so a lot came out. By the way, it's a glass bottle too, so I love that. Yep, it smells great. Love it, can't wait to try that out. And I believe it's $6. So like I said, very nice and affordable. Another thing I got, I've been wanting to try their gel liner. I believe Ipsy sent me one a while ago and it was brown. Didn't really get to use it a lot, but I wanted to go ahead and test out Crybaby, which looked purplish. I knew it was more like a lavender, but it's a little bit more light, a lot lighter than I wanted it to be. Let me go ahead and swatch it. By the way, it kind of broke when I swatched it real quick. Reviews were right. They recommend you just put a little bit out, otherwise it will break because, I don't know, it's so sensitive. It's a lot lighter than I wanted it to be, at least for my skin tone, almost whitish, but it's not bad. And it does last for a very long time, and I will show you in a second. Once it dries, I'm gonna scrub it real hard. It does not budge. It's pretty amazing. 2 lip products I wanted to try. They just came out with their Luxe Matte Lipstick, so this is pretty awesome. Totally new, and I got the color Money Moves because I wanted to try. I never tried their normal lipstick, and I've been dying to do it. Once they came out with a matte finish, I was all over it. I love matte. Very nice looking, right? Doesn't look cheap at all. These are actually $7 compared to Sephora, right? That are like maybe $20. Cute little stars all over. I wanted like a brownish red that I could use on every day. I think this is a little more red than I wanted it to be. By the way, one swipe and you're done. It's a little more red than I wanted it to be, but I don't hate it. I'll definitely use it. And it does feel great. I put it on yesterday and it feels like I'm not wearing anything. Well, it's matte, it's not drying. It doesn't feel matte, right? It feels like I have a lipstick on and it's comfortable. So that's pretty great. Also, I recommend checking their sales section. I actually got this ultra glossy lip on their sales section. It's the Lazy. It's the color. It's the packaging, very nice. And Lazy. So something different. I thought I would get a gloss. It has like a goldish tint. Let's hope if you can see it here. It's not your traditional, you know, red or pink gloss. It's like a, I don't know, so many colors, but it looks special. It looks different, like something I don't already own. Lastly, these babies. So I don't know if you guys have ever tried their Super Shock shadows. They're amazing. I love them so much. They're $5 a pop, and they're, I mean, you get a pretty good size. So actually, funny enough, they have different finishes, and I got one of each. So let's go ahead and check them out. So the first one I got is a matte finish, and see, it looks like this. You get a lot in here. This is Crenshaw, and it's matte, and even though it's matte, it actually feels, it doesn't feel dry. That's my finger right there. Doesn't feel dry. By the way, these feel like butter. Oh God, it feels so good. It feels amazing. I could do this all day. So here's Crenshaw. I wanted something simple. It was also on their sale section, so I said, why not? And again, they glide on like butter. This is a nice brown. I just wanted to try out something simple and basic. I wear glasses, so why not just put something there? You can put them with your finger, you can use a brush. Super easy and super quick. And this is another one. It's actually a satin finish, and it's Truth is the name. Let's see here, satin finish. And this is actually the reason why I made this whole order. It's just this nice gold without being too overpowering. I don't love their glitter, so I wanted something that would shine. You just put it on, put in mascara, and leave the house. No need to do a lot of things. Very nice. So again, I just wanted something simple that I can put on and leave. And I feel like Truth is the truth. Another one I got is, this is an ultra metallic shadow, and it's Superfly. I wanted something teal, but that wasn't too teal. And this is the only one that maybe on their site has mixed reviews, because they say that it's not the color that it looks in the pan, but that's exactly why I got it. So even though it looks teal, it's actually more of a duochrome teal and purple. Oh yes, let's test it out. I hope you guys can see it. Oh, I can already see it here. Is it blue? Is it purple? I don't know. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. Something light, not crazy, colorful, like coconut, which is the other one I was eyeing, and duochrome. So I just wanted something different. Lastly, we have their birthday shadow. So like I said, they turned 4 years old, and they wanted to give this out for free. So I went ahead and took advantage of that. This is called Birthday Wish. It's not something that will be there for purchase. It was just kind of one of those special things. And it's an ultra glitter. I don't love their glitter is what I've learned. Not because of Colourpop glitter, just I think I don't like glitter just personally. Don't really like it. I feel like it's all over my face and I can't get it out once I put it on. But like I said, it's free, doesn't hurt. Let's go ahead and put it. Very nice, very glittery. But like I said, these are all very, very pigmented. They're just $5 a pop, and they're amazing. You just put it on and go. You don't feel like you have to do all these things to leave the house and look good. And this is actually my very, very tiny, but I'm starting my Colourpop Super Shock Shadow collection. I'm so excited for these to join them. And look at that, I have room, so I might as well just keep going. So these are amazing. I totally, totally recommend them. It's just something, I just totally got started into makeup. I'm almost 30, and I just started wearing makeup, and Colourpop is just that kind of brand that I fell in love with. And they're so affordable, and the products are just such great quality. Customer service is great, by the way. If any of these arrive damaged, maybe, don't worry, they will send a new one out. So they're pretty great. So I hope this was helpful. I hope those of you that love Colourpop enjoyed this video. Those of you that never heard of it, are curious, go on their website. You will see, once you see those prices and the reviews, you will see what the rave is all about. So I hope this helped you get an idea of what you might want to get. And I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.